your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Dear end. Or should I say, the beginning of your future.
Here we go, everybody. A night at Epcot. Get some food and wine. After a long day of work. Yeah, sounds good. Some extra magic hours. Got a room on site just for tonight, so we can do that tonight and maybe some stuff in the morning. So let's get to it.
Please don't let your imaginations run wild.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad durante su estadía en nuestros laboratorios sensoriales, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias.
Welcome to our special drive-through open house. I am Dr. Nigel Channing, Chairman of the Imagination Institute. Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, cookie-cookie-coo, and taste. Tastes like chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go. Next stop, imagination. For every sound, your ears are hearing. 1,000 thoughts can start appearing, and each of us imagines different things. From just the sound, your mind has wings.
Now, all together, if you would please read line 3.
With F-I-G-H-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination.
You know, I'm sorry, but after that big stink in the smell lab, I hesitate to send you into the touch and taste labs. Perhaps I should end my open house right here.
Great idea! We'll go to my open house instead. It's much more fun. Right this way, everybody. Now, here's a real open house. Come on in. So, what do you think? Is it me?
More than you can imagine.
But Doc, it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brains of the house.
Of course! Imagination is just turning your thinking upside down. And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
Welcome to the Sim Track.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing sim car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Thought we were getting away from that.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing full power test.
Right, so this is room 3129 at All Star Sports, and I've stayed in this row before. This is what I call the swamp row. This is the furthest from the lobby you can get. It's swamp view, and yeah, not even a courtyard, but here we go. This is an unrenovated room. So these are the old school rooms at All Stars. I thought they had all been changed over, but apparently not, because here we are. Old school table and chairs here. The curtain, we got a border around the top of the sports. Get up close there for you as we come down. One small circular mirror, and then two doubles. So the pull down is not here, and we still have, guess what, carpeting on the floor that they can vacuum. Singular nightstand in the middle with no real plugs to speak of. Probably a hidden plug back there. Cool goofy slam dunk poster though, why not? And the TV, that's a nice new TV. Fridge, 3 drawers there with these. They have these side rails. I never understood what they were for, but they've always been on these dressers. Here we go. By the way, it has a full curtain with Mickey, Pluto, and the gang on it. And then the sink, single sink with a mirror, and the kind of closet wardrobe thing. And finally, the old shower curtain bathroom. Don't get me wrong, shower curtain's cool. I like the characters on it. But, yeah. Old school lamp up there. So that's it. This is a non-renovated All-Star Sports room. And thankfully, we're only here for 5 hours or so. We're taking advantage of that extra magic hours and be up in a couple hours to go back to Hollywood Studios.